I was gonna do an intro and all that, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing yet, so we ain't even gonna bother doing all that. I am Joshua Ferez, right? Let's react to it. Let me shout out my boy Jason. Y'all follow him on Instagram. Jason was not here with a Z. Let's see what he sent me, man. Let's see what he sent me. I ain't gonna lie, I heard like the first 2-3 seconds, and where dude with the mic said, I'm 42 or something. I was like, wait. So I don't know what I'm about to hear. It's about to be good. Let's go.
And this is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
Swag, 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 Cow swag, swag, cow swag, trap, cow swag, boom, cow swag, swag, cow swag, coming to your trap with back a leg.
Nah. Hold on now. Look, y'all know I'm right? So look, let me tell y'all, cause I'm right? So for you damn niggas born after 2000 whatever, this nigga trying to be Lil B. That shit cool, man. Man, I ain't listened to no bass god in so long, man. That's tough. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The piercing and shit though, like see how he got that shit on his cheek, nose, lip. Nah, fam. Nah. That ain't it, homie. That shit was tough in like, shit, high school, damn 10th grade. That ain't it, fam.
Cow swag for your bitch, she said my dick like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walk into your trap with no sight. You the type of nigga to get groomed, don't roll black. My shooter schizophrenic, that boy think that he in black ops. I be seeing numbers, bitch, I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. Sucking dick, then a nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm swagged up, you can see it coming out my pores. Cow swag, flex a Rolex like he been 10. Why?
Oh man, why this shit so raw, dog? This junk raw, dog. I can't quote you a bar this fool said, but it's raw, dog. Oh man, that's crazy.
Flexing shit that a nigga been out flexing me, nigga. I don't think there's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Bitch talk crazy, block a hoe like the Kimbe. This swag so global, I got white hoes in Norway.
Ah man, I can't judge this. Nah, that's crazy. Hold on, this frame crazy. Hold up. Yeah. Alright, so first dude. I can't judge that John fair, bro. The beat, all that shit, it was alright. Yeah, I was fucking with it, y'all. I was fucking with it, man. Hold on, let me see what these other dudes cooking.
What? Slick. Yo, LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs in my head. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Throw your bag, I pop tag. They coming first, then you coming last. She bet a song, then she run it back. They going denim all over my ass. Niggas be hype, really they be ass. Stay outside, I don't even rap. Know your hollow, get to the bag. Then I go sit back and relax, bitch. Damn.
Bro sound like a young, little more angry G Herbo type vibe. I fuck with it. Let's see what he doing.
That smoke, ass nigga out like tic-tac-toe. A lot of these niggas be stealing the flow. You tryna slime them, gotta let me know. I hit the ground and money on the floor. Can't come around you acting like a hoe. Too many chops, any money mo. Virginia Beach, better not be alone. Fuck nigga. What? Slick. Yo, LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Smoke runs where my head at. Fit red back, taste that back. I done went up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, then she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. What? Damn. Okay.
Alright, that was straight. I don't know. I guess I'm about to sit here and damn review niggas for real. Hey, so that was straight. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give bro off energy alone. That was tough. You know what I'm saying? He was in. I liked the sound. He was really fitting the beat. I give bro a 6. Nigga look like Lil Reese.
shit. Just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up. Got all types of hoes, don't know who to choose. Shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game. Boy, she said you a plug. If you saying it's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm about to.
Nah, who beat that is? Who beat that is? That's a Kodak track. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough.
Finna go up in the function. Talking like hoes, a young nigga home shit. It really ain't nothing. Love my hoe so much, I can't even choose who I want. Can't stay with no bitch who stay with an attitude. Get it gone. I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Girl, I know I'm wrong. I'm picking that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long. Bad bitch give me head. Little bitch gon' do what I said. All this shit I got cost me a leg. What's your hoe and I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you a leg. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man.
Alright, so since I'm doing this, I'm gonna say bro was damn, y'all. I give bro a 5. Let's see what we got next.
Bitch, I'm in your breast, yeah. Bitch, I'm kinda chest. Whoa, I'ma put a leg flat. Hit the money spread, yo. Hit a stanky leg, bitch.
Hold up. Now, I'm not a hating ass nigga for real. But this YouTube, so we gotta we gotta put it out there. So I ain't gonna cap that. Like, niggas. Something just ain't right. Bro, shoes look like they got bubbles on the bottom of them.
Hit the money spread, yo. Hit a stanky leg, bitch.
That shit about to pop.
We got clientele, putting them through hell up. They like where's now?
Doing the little Cardi voice and shit with it.
Bitch, I pin my nail up. I go out the rail up. Choke a chain, bitch. Choke a chain, bitch. Choke a chain, bitch. Bitch, I'm still the same, bitch, but I'm painless. I got 2 chains, bitch. I get paid. I can't like a lame nigga for a lame nigga. Penny face, bitch.
I saw he had his nails painted too. Again, I ain't a hating ass nigga. But you know. Like, hold on, let's talk about that. Like, okay, so real shit, right? Cause shit changed. I'm one of them niggas. I really believe in change. I believe in evolution, right? So if everything stayed the same, then it's boring, right? You know what I mean? We wasn't doing the jump that fools like 5-10 years older than us were doing. Shit, the dudes 5-10 years younger than us ain't doing what we was doing. But like, are we tripping? Like, okay, so like dudes with the fingernail polish and everything, like I respect the bravado, you know what I mean? I respect it. But like, yeah, like what is that, man? What is it? I could understand if, like, you feel me, the all black polish with the diamonds on the ring and the diamonds dancing on the wrist just hit hard or some shit and, you know, make some shit tough, but it throw that shit off, dog. It look like it throw that shit off to me aesthetically on some real, not even whatever, just aesthetically it throws it off for me. Yeah. I rock with Cardi hard. You know what I mean? I was booming his album when I was working out that last one he dropped. Whole time air track. I fuck with Cardi tough. That right there just wasn't it for me. I give bro a 4. When I say these ratings, by the way, keep in mind all these motherfuckers talented. Let's be honest. Like, not every, you ain't gonna be able to just grab anyone off the street, put them on a beat, and they come up with what these dudes coming up with. They on this platform for a reason. You get what I mean? So you gotta respect that. They on that platform for a reason. But at that caliber, judging them where I'm judging them, yeah, I get that a 4.
The same, but my car the same. Stop, put on
now, if they was at the lunch table or some shit in school, or they was like, I don't know, somewhere else I'd be like, oh yeah, this shit would probably be in a 7. You feel me? 7, 8, like we at a party ciphering or something. But like on the caliber where I would expect you to be on something like this, it's a 4.
I don't even know her name.
And they need these dudes' names or something, bro. Like I'm seeing these guys and I don't know who the hell I'm looking at. Hold up, they got. Okay, yeah. They did that. They put they info down there. Good, shout out them.
Went from none to fame, back out on my pain. The same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane.
Hey.
Meantime, I ripped my jeans. Hellcat got no.
He don't look like he was gonna sound like that. I ain't see that coming at all. Well, I feel like I gotta say pause, bro. That's crazy. Anyway, I ain't expect that, bro. This alright, I ain't expect that. Let's hear him out.
I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a gene. Yeah, she treat me like Jesus. I'm going overseas. Celine the double G. I make all my peace with both my bitches. Take it visas down. Rockin' star, I'm bouncing inside my seat. It's how you gon' keep it up. Both my bitches the same. Both my cars the same. Right stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name. Went from none to fame. Back out on my pain. The same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane. Meantime, I ripped my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed.
Okay, yeah, he talking. Hold up, let me see you doing. Yeah. Alright, bro, tough. I'ma give him I give bro a 6 or a 7 around there.
I get higher than the egg.
We got Young Nutty in this bitch, nigga.
Go shit dog. Or the truck all white, Mr. Clip. My packet 100% blue in. Nigga, baby, mama just no color. I did another nigga broad, I put it on DND. Mama said, before you walk, you crawl. I walk the talk, I run in the cat.
Oh yeah, bro be on them drugs though. Like you see gang be on them drugs. You know what I mean? He be on it.
She ride spin out the back of the bitch, I'ma hang off double. Niggas ain't live gay. Some of my brother, I step on the floor, don't fuck with niggas. I smell the boy, he live gay. Top of the G-Ride double. Been that block and D5 gravity, D5 visit with
Be that block.
bullet with dip in the Ruby River. Put his name on the bullet for the boy motor cop. With a block, 500 shot, it got police like, can I get over it? He cooked the scheme out with a double on suit, I'm feeling like Scorpion. Help my heart, she tight, shit, Scorpion. Jaguar sight on the big cock Pinocchio. Sound like you pistol a nigga, you lying, you know. Got big as okay, I got Drake for the nigga. Double on left, chain. Double on side of my gun in your forehead. Double on left, chain. 500 shot with a police boy leg. Bullet can animals, go through cars, stop train. I just read this freak bitch going to school at Harvard. The big astronaut, young thing on the same page. I boot up on Twitter, my body on high than NASA. Play with tight and I put it on Twitter. Then
I'm about to high to NASA. Hey, nigga going in.
Eli gone by the morning. I ride for hell, start back down around the guitar, make it a shell catcher. You be heavy.
I done feel like all I handles. 2-5 John nigga, shit ain't that symbols. I'm up to motherfucker tree like a pendulum. I'm not a nigga, gon' play like a random. Lights to him bumpin', they fire at 10 If that shit not a con, it ain't answer. She wanna touch it, I why you not handsome. I send me nigga like Ty DBS. You don't do shit.
See, he flowing. He did something a little different. Now I don't know if it's the beat alone. He just caught my attention when I was over here doing this. Bro, flowing. I'm rocking with what he doing right here.
I'm like I get hammered, turning up, pull less in your chest. Yeah, I'm pulling my pocket, no ace out of dance. Should've went murder for a honey wrist. Saying my tone like Papa on them. Man, I feel they know that surprise you a bitch. Nigga got fist, not hoe getting candy. I'm a little tryst, putting lines of tryst. They got time for that deal. Jet ran like a bill. Then nigga net like the deal. Then nigga tell that still taking years in the seal. Nigga myself in here. Then nigga pay for that hand job, itching the wheel. I'm not set by mommy. I'm not set by mommy. Tryna bounce some shit like Kevin and Kill. In that patch of the mill. Couldn't play these niggas I saw. Had these niggas shot down. But the church got a lot for that bar. None of them niggas right around me. And it's 13 on 26. Look, on the knees I funny.
Oh man. I don't know who Too Slimy is. Damn, hold up, y'all. They've been doing this shit the whole video. Damn. How the fuck I ain't noticed that shit, man? Damn. That's what happened when you dehydrated, man. That's what happened when you dehydrated, man. Work all day. Get on the damn shit. Got niggas' names popping up in front of you and you don't even see it. Alright, man. Alright, too slimy. What you doing, bro? Josh, man. Art is subjective, bro. It's somebody for everything, bro. What you hear and what you like, next food might not like, bro. Might think it's trash. You don't know other people's inner experience, my brother. Do I though? Do I though? Beauty in the eye of the beholder. But we all know what you mean when you say ugly. Can't art be trash too? Fuck it, I don't know. I swear I ain't no hater, man. You know, this is YouTube.
The new Auto-Tune 2026 has been in the gym. It runs lighter, faster, and simpler, but
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario, you made it geek. Pop this pig, who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Heard I got racks put on my head, get a hoe he love, follow me. Boy, you can keep that bitch on right the way she swallow me. Mask up like it's Halloween, grab F and then my shooter purse. She too tight for G19, put a lapel inside her purse. Hang out a none, that little boy scared to shoot. I tell her go to church, try what I want, fuck what I like, bitch. I got rich off words, yeah. I'm gonna make that pull out 10, that bitch about to give me Kirk, yeah. Poppin' that RP, bitch.
Bro listen to Yeet, that's what I think. I don't know, he might not. Bro sound like he listen to Yeet.
My eyes wild like dirt like dirt. I got a bitch, she from the island, just like Ruby work. Shooter got Ramadan, send him on mission, tell him rocket turtle. I said Trish not Burger, Beverly bitch, she purging. If I'm not fucking your hoe, I'm probably in the studio working. If I'm not pulling the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go crazy. I'm still young, now free my bro. I'm still young, now fuck the jury.
Alright, toss bro the mic. Alright. What you cooking, bro?
Saw the devil in
Go
me.
doing that walk I be doing when I be drunk too much.
I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul, I invest in women. Proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry.
Y'all feel like dudes with this type of thing going, they do that junk on purpose for real? Like it's the idea for the image, like I'ma have this look, I'ma have these mannerisms, I'ma give off this presentation, and then I'ma come through rapping on these type of beats though with these kind of lyrics, you know? like I'm a look like I'm an alternative ass dude, but I'm a rap like I'm a aware hip hop conscious type dude. Yeah, who know? I'm just talking, man. I'm just talking. We gotta talk.
Stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting. Like the ocean tides are shifting. No, it's my time, I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas, and my bitch not other women. Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it.
Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Colin Kaepernick, I could teach you.
Hey, yo, there you go. There you go. I like to switch up. There we go.
Jugging niggas is a passion. 20/20 vision. As a kid, I wanted glasses. Niggas is not eating. Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the 4-step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it.
Hold up.
Glasses. Niggas is not eating. Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without
Y'all
the
saw the
4-step and
moves
the
Toby
clapping.
with here. Hold
Tricks
on.
off the kids like
Bubble
the
shoes.
motherfucking rabbit.
Bubble
If I see
shoes.
some money,
Bubble shoes.
gotta grab it.
Bubble shoes.
Speaking out here, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Get it chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with.
Hold up, man. Hey, wait a minute, man.
Booze, yeah, they lease me up. Smoke more weed than that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up in bankrolls on the teachers. Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers. Now I'm swerving into Caesars. I just put a deuce in a Sprite, 2 liters.
Okay. Hold on, I got y'all. Hold on. It's vibes.